Welcome to part 2 of Aston Villa rebuild. Last time it went like this. We ended that season 4th, which means Champions League football. After enough persuading to the owner, he gave us more money. Moussa Diaby has submitted a transfer request, which means he leaves the club. This is what the team looks without him. And I don't think I'm trusting Barry in the slightest. I am definitely looking for a winger and maybe to a swell. And after Diaby leaving, the money we got helped us get him. Our biggest signing yet has joined us. Welcome to the club. Another winger joins us. Welcome to the club. Jason Sonko. A centre-back coming from Man City. Welcome to the club, Guardiola. This is what the team looks now, and it is looking really good. A home game against Wolves for the opening match. With our new team, I think we can get the win. One to 0. Ollie Watkins puts us in front, 1 to 0. Martin scores our second after just being subbed on. Ramsey scores a third to top of a great first match. But not all fun in games. Wan-Bissaka picks up a knock, which will see him out for the next 2 games. Which means Matty Cash will be playing. But now Watkins picks up an injury which will put him out for 2 months, which means Martin will be playing. Can we cope without them? Watch episode 3 to find out. Coming soon.